Unauthorized authentic is a lie. Welcome to the Batch Floss channel. I'm Chris Aponte, and the term unauthorized authentic is untrue. Now, hold on, chill. Let me preface this by saying, I don't care what you call anything. You can call fakes UAs. You can call replicas unauthorized authentics. You can call trees cats, as the great Jay-Z once pondered.
What you eat don't make me
But I want to clear something up about the confusing nature of the term unauthorized authentic. Unauthorized authentic has this fable attached to it, that there's this factory in China that's making the authentic products, then they fill their contractual quota, and then they make more on the side to sell for themselves. Or that they're B grade, aka didn't pass QC. Let me tell you why that is complete bullshit. First of all, let's talk about intellectual property. Let's use Nike as an example. Nike is the copyright owner of their name, slogans, and symbol. This includes Jordan brand, the swoosh, and the Jumpman logo. Intellectual property to a large corporation is priceless. Here's an example. I'm a commercial electrician by trade, and I was lucky enough to be on the job for the new Star Wars being built at the Disneyland in Anaheim, California. Before you show up to that job, you have to sign an NDA, aka non-disclosure agreement. If you were caught taking a picture with your phone at any part of the job site, this agreement gave them the right to confiscate your phone. Now, the older rides that were being deleted from the park were destroyed in a classified top secret method that assured no one would ever be able to see how they were built to reverse engineer them. That's how important intellectual property is to a corporation. Disney is worth $173 billion. Nike is worth $139 billion. By a quick Google estimate, there's nothing more important to a corporation like that to protect their intellectual property. That being said, I can assure you, any contracted factory making a Nike product probably has a contractual obligation to destroy any remaining material, spec, and unfinished product. And it probably requires a third-party witness and an inspection. Next up, let's travel to the replica capital of the world, Putian, China, in the Fujian province of southeast China. Here's some shoe manufacturing history. Before the 1980s, most Nike shoes were manufactured in Taiwan. But when Taiwan started their golden age of affluence, labor costs became too high for Nike. Exploitation. So, they moved their manufacturing to southeast China. Putian was one of the cities that Nike contracted to make their products. And in 20 years' time, Putian became well-to-do. And again, labor prices went up. And again, Nike pulled out and went somewhere else. But Putian was left with 2 to 3 generations of shoemakers. All the factories, all the equipment, and the financial backing of the clan society. Bribery is a common practice in China. It is. It's how people get jobs, it's how officials turn a blind eye, and it's also how someone can buy samples and design drawings from an original equipment manufacturer, or OEM. Hey, what's up, bro? Can I get 2 sample pairs, design drawings, and a list of material suppliers for that new shoe you're working on? No. Well, I got 20,000 yuan that says you will. Where do you want to meet? So typically, the factory in Putian gets 2 samples, one to dismantle and another one to compare. They also get design drawings, which may include specs for their equipment, and a list of material suppliers. But how are they so damn close, you may ask? Number one, Putian is really good at what they do. Don't get it twisted. They're making a fake product, but their goal is to make it indistinguishable from the real one. Number two, getting most or all of the same exact materials that the authentic factories used. Do you think these material suppliers care who they sell to? They just want to sell. Hey, what's up, BASF, the German company that makes what Adidas calls Boost? I need to order some for an authentic Yeezy shoe production. Sure, give me that money and here you go. Hey, what's up, BASF, the German company that makes what Adidas calls Boost? I need some for a Wheezy shoe production. Sure, give me that money and here you go. And so on. So what's with this myth about unauthorized authentic? Marketing. The idea that these are authentic, legitimate shoes is a very good selling point. And if you're insecure about wearing fakes, calling them UAs would probably make you feel better. Hey, I'm not judging. But understand, in this seedy, clandestine underworld of the replica market, there are those sellers who will massively overcharge you by using that term unauthorized authentic. And people will pay hundreds of dollars for a fake shoe that a knowledgeable buyer could get for 40 bucks. So don't believe the myth. Always make informed decisions. But otherwise, call them whatever you want.